Welcome to our Nutech Systems tutorial series. In this video, I will be demonstrating our customer order pick feature. So the customer order pick is actually going to look a lot like our job issue feature. We do that on purpose just because we do like to have familiarity across the board with the ease of use of all of our transactions. We also want all the users out on the shop floor to kind of get that understanding of the flow of all the transactions and how they're all going to be put together. So that way it's very easy for training purposes and overall simplicity out there on the shop floor. In this example, we will again show the flexibility of the software so we can just prompt and open up all the customer orders that we are going to pick for. Or, as you can see here, I have typed HB, and what that will do is it will start cutting down the list to display any customer orders that start with HB. Again, this just helps the user reduce that list for simplicity. They know that it's starting with HB, so they're going to narrow it down and select which customer order they're going to start working on. But again, keep in mind you can just look at the entire list as an option as well. After we've selected our customer order number, we're going to scan the to location, which is the site where we want to move the items to. Now here we're going to start working our way down through that picking process. So we can prompt for open lines, giving the user the ability and the flexibility of picking whichever open lines they want to go pick for first. Or we can be restrictive with that as well and force a user to pick items in a specific order, but that's all just personal preference. In this case, we're going to grab the item BR10000. On this next screen, it gives a little bit of description of the item here along with some other key details. So, it appears to be a rack for the rear left side. It gives a required quantity and the remaining quantity just below that, the unit of measure, and the location that you can go pick it from as well. But again, we will show you that we can also look at other locations for this case. So in this example, we have two sites out there that have the specific item located in it. On the left, you can see the available locations. It shows the item quantity in each location in the middle, and then your locations are ranked listed here on the right. In this example, we know that we need 8 units, so we're going to stick with location 02B01 that you see labeled on the left and head over to that spot to pick the items for the customer order. So here we're going to scan to verify that we're grabbing the correct item. We're also going to scan to verify that we're in the correct location. And then we're going to scan or type in the quantity that we're picking for this order as well. At that point, a label is then generated. We put that label on the item, the pallet, or whatever it is, and then the pick is completed. So one thing I do want to mention is that there's a validation process that occurs when you just saw me scan to verify the correct items that we're picking for. So if you're in the wrong location and you happen to scan the barcode there or you scan the wrong item number, the user will then be flagged with a warning message saying that they've either selected the wrong location or item. Then from there they can obviously back out and correct the issue before getting into any further trouble. That concludes this Nutech Systems tutorial on our customer order pick feature. Thank you for watching.